Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. We're going to give you a little update on our patient Jimmy, and I'll put a link to his other videos in the information about this YouTube video. And Jimmy's a real estate guy that came in from out of town last year, 2 years ago, and he was bald with a limited amount of fine hair, and we did medium-sized strip case on him. And here he is at the end of the case. We got him packed in. Started in the front, and then he grew in quite well. And then this summer, 3 months ago, I guess he was somewhere around 17 months out, 3 months ago now, he had a second case. And the way we do these second cases, you know, as we've said in a lot of videos, we always want to add a few hundred singles to the hairline, because no matter how tight we pack those hairs, it's never enough. And then, but there's not much downtime or swelling with that. And then we start behind the previous transplant work as far as the hair will allow. And so here he is now, 3 months out from his second case. Nothing's really grown from the second case, but he did this short video.
Hey Jimmy, I haven't videoed you before. You don't have a problem with me putting your face on the internet.
Nope.
So how old are you? I can't remember.
38 right now.
And I'll put a picture of you before we get started up to your right. And so we did your front 2 years ago.
December of 16, so about 2 years ago, yep.
And then 3 months ago, we added a few to your hairline. And then started in the back. Bend over a little bit. So we started and then worked our way back. Nothing, of course, is growing at this point. Spin around and let me show the back of your head. And you said you got a haircut yesterday.
Yep.
And so at 3 months,
that's about
your scar looks good, but there's still a little shock loss there. So
yeah,
that'll pop back.
Yep.
Spin back around. How's it been for you?
Excellent. Pretty much same process as the first time, so I knew what to expect a little bit more this time. So, but yeah, everything went as planned and as you prescribed. So,
all right,
perfect. So just waiting for it to grow.
We'll see you sometime late next summer for some final pictures.
Sounds good.
Thanks for coming down.
Yep.
And he's right on schedule, and I'm sure we'll see him back next summer. And just like all these hair breed guys, he's already saying, "Do you think there's one more in me?" And my advice to younger guys like that is to get these two and sit tight, because you don't know what the future holds as far as that donor area going down. So we'll see what happens next year, but we'll get an updated video and post that next year. If we can help you, please give us a call.